Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Neuropsychology and the neuropsychological assessment. This is for the brain disorder, and the organic mental disorders. So first, looking at the neuropsychology, or by definition it is examining the relationship. So relationship, and this will be between the behavior. So the relationship between the behavior and the brain functioning, and you locate the areas disturbance on the basis of the behavior. So you locate the areas of disturbance. Locate the area of disturbance on the basis of the behavioral symptoms, as well as the cognitive, the sensory motor, and the emotional. So all this is done. Now looking at the neuropsychological assessment for the brain disorder or the organic mental disorders. So the testing here is, it involves the Bender Gestalt test. So this is screening tool for the organic mental disorders. Then comes the Luria Nebraska. Luria Nebraska is a neuropsychological battery. So this is one test, and then is the Halstead Return battery, the battery of the psychological test. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.